Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Wells Fargo bank to the Robinhood app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add more funds to your Robinhood account. How do you actually go ahead about adding your Wells Fargo bank? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's log on to your Robinhood app. Next, you're going to click on your profile icon on the bottom right-hand corner. Now from here, click on the three lines on the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on Transfers, and then towards the bottom underneath Linked Accounts, click on Add Account. Now you need to choose your account type. Click on Bank Account, and then it's going to take a few seconds for Plaid to go ahead and load. But what Plaid is that it connects your accounts in seconds, it keeps your data safe, and it also protects your accounts. Click on Continue on the bottom hand side. Next, click on Continue as Guest. Then from here, click on Wells Fargo Bank. So what's going to happen is that it's going to prompt you to log into your Wells Fargo Bank so that you can decide which checkings accounts or savings accounts you want connected to your Robinhood app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.